One of our beloved valued customers, whose senior living facility we maintain, reached out with an emergency request. Their commercial water heater had gone out. Our operations manager acted quickly, arranging for a special order commercial water heater to be delivered to the facility overnight. The following morning, our team arrived on site to begin the replacement. Working closely with the facility's maintenance staff, we carefully uninstalled the old unit, following all safety procedures, and ensured there was no interruption to the residents' water service during the process. Within just 3 hours, the new water heater was installed and fully operational, restoring hot water and comfort to the residents. Following this successful replacement, we scheduled a proactive installation for another water heater in the same facility to prevent future disruptions. We are grateful to our customers for trusting us time and time again to keep their facilities running smoothly. We're always on call for your commercial water heater needs, from removing the old unit to installing a brand new one, fast. Need a commercial water heater replacement? Call GEI Plumbing Services today.